Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are continuing the 100 Dragon Challenge. So, for this week's challenge, I scoured all of my platforms for the comment. I know I saw someone comment a Valentine's Day dragon to go with the past holiday dragons, but I checked YouTube, I checked Twitter, I checked Instagram, and I could not find the comment. So, I apologize if you commented this and I missed it, but I'm doing your dragon anyway. So if you posted, do a Valentine's dragon, leave me a comment down below. I apologize that I missed it. I don't know where that comment disappeared to. It's probably on like the one post I didn't check. I don't know. But either way, we are doing a cute little heart Valentine's Day dragon today for in celebration of Valentine's Day, which was yesterday. And I thought for the inspiration for this one is there's a couple of different really cool bats. I think there's a few, maybe like 2 or 3 breeds that have like these really cool and interesting noses. And then I guess one of them actually has like a heart shape on its nose. So I thought it would be really cute to do like a heart-nosed dragon based off of a really cute, adorable bat. So I kind of ran with that with my first initial sketches, trying to figure out how bat-like I wanted to make it, and kind of the happy medium between a full-on bat and a dragon. And I also wanted to make sure to sprinkle in lots of cute little heart shapes, so I kind of pushed it even more in my second and third sketches. For example, in the first one, I just had the heart of the nose and more of the direct bat features from the bat I was referencing. And then I pushed it a little bit more in the second and third sketch by adding things like the ears being hearts, or like different shapes on it being hearts. And I think I ham it up even more, you know, in the final drawing. But either way, I knew I wanted to really sell the Valentine's Day look with these sketches and with this design in general. And I thought making him also a big fluffy dragon fit really well, just a big snuggly thing for Valentine's Day. So I had a lot of fun designing this guy. So like I said, as you can see in this one, I did add like a more heart shape to the ears. I decided to do a very elongated heart because I didn't want everything to be the perfect heart shape, you know, like I just didn't think it would look super convincing on a natural creature to have just all these perfectly shaped hearts. And I thought it would just add a nice kind of oh God, I can't talk. A nice little Easter egg, I guess, if you could spot which ones are hearts and not hearts. Easter egg is not the right word, that's the wrong holiday. But more just like not be totally blatantly obvious that it's covered in hearts. Like just make the shapes similar to hearts, but it's just not the over the top hammed up heart shapes. So now with those sketches out of the way, I jump into the final drawing layout. And I did do one before this. I barely got into it though, and I was just like, nope, the head is in the top right corner of this page. So I ended up restarting on the second page and trying to figure out how to center him, because what happened was I put him way too close to the top right, and then when I went to draw the ears were way too small. So I was like, all right, let's just move the whole dragon down and we should be good. So again, with this one, I really wanted to ham up some of the shapes and show off the heart. So one thing that I had an idea in the sketch was giving him the big floofy mane, but I was like, what if we made it like a big heart-shaped mane? That would be super cute. And then also down the center of the head down to the tail, I was like, well, what if they had like little tufts of hair that were like heart-shaped and pink and all that? And I just think this guy turned out super, super cute. And it's actually really different from what I usually do. Like, I loved the ice cream dragon. That was one of my favorites that I've recently done, and it was completely in a different style than I usually do. It was much more cartoony and playful, and this guy is just as much. Like, I had so much fun just being super playful and cartoony and not doing like super rendered detail intense dragon. It was just a for fun little cute thing. And I've been calling this one a he. I meant for it to be a she. And I'm sorry, I totally mixed that up in my brain, but she is super cute. Along with the bat-like influences, I also kind of drew from different big cat influences. I like the idea of this dragon having more paws rather than claws. So I would say this is a combination of a bat and kind of like a lion or like a house cat. No, yeah, let's go with a house cat. I think it's closer to like a house cat with a bat. It's a cat bat. It's cat bat dragon. So after I established this and did the line art, it was time to pick some colors, and I realized I am very limited on pastel colors and light, bright colors. So this little girl is gonna be nice and bright pink. I did have a couple pastels that I did utilize, but not as many as I was hoping for. Which, speaking of which, I'm gonna give a shout out to my husband for giving me an amazing Valentine/anniversary gift. He bought me a 36 pack of pastel Copics, so those will be arriving soon. I'm really excited to start using those in the dragons, but he was wanting to surprise me, and he realized, he's like, oh crap, I don't know what colors Katelyn really needs, so he ended up telling me the day before Valentine's Day and making sure that he ordered the right one. But either way, it will be coming in soon, and I'm really excited to jump in and use those in some future dragons. We're gonna just have to do a really cute pastel dragon at some point. It will be adorable. And for those of you who are probably gonna ask, my husband and I are celebrating our 11-year dating anniversary. We always have a dating anniversary in February, and then our wedding anniversaries in July, but we always have the tradition of going to the Arizona Renaissance Festival because we're huge fucking nerds. So we go every year for our anniversary and do the pleasure feast, which is like basically a 5-course meal with entertainment. We always pony up for that and then go around and eat to our heart's content and look at all the cool stuff and maybe get a couple costume pieces for either my Assassin's Creed costume, or this year we're gonna be shopping for him, because I think the past 2 years we shopped for my costume, and this year I'm like, no, you need a costume because now I have one and you don't. So we're gonna be doing that this weekend. I'm super excited for that, and it will be nice to celebrate a wonderful 11 years. Oh, I'm just getting so happy. But then, let's just jump back into the dragon. I know I just got sidetracked with gross romantic shit for Valentine's Day and anniversary, but with the dragon, I had so much fun making this giant red floofy mane. I just kind of want to fall into this dragon and just snuggle in this giant red heart mane. It just looks so soft and cuddly, and like, I just love the color choice that I made. I'm really proud of this one. I think this one turned out really good, even with the colors not exactly what I wanted. I think this one is super cute. And then I tried something a little bit different. In the past, when I've done a white or a light colored dragon, I tend to use gray as the shadow effects, but this time I did kind of a light lavender color, and I think it turned out really cool. Like, I like the shading effect and kind of the color that it gives the dragon in general. And it gives like a different dimension to the white fur. It's not just like kind of plain white and gray. It just adds a nice little extra pop of color, even though it's supposed to be just the shadow of the dragon. And so with that, we are wrapping up this beautiful girl. She's super cute. It was really fun to design, and I haven't really combined particularly a bat with a dragon in a little while. Like, I know that European dragons tend to have bat wings, so I guess you could argue that it's combining with a bat in that way, but I haven't like drawn inspiration from a bat. So her ears were super cute, and her overall design was just the best and so much fun. So with my Valentine's Day themed dragon wrapped up, let's go ahead and look at your guys' entries from the snail dragon. So if you guys would like to participate in the future, make sure to post your dragons on Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag KM100dragons. But let's go ahead and jump in and see what you guys made. So first off, Kiki's art journey. I really love your slugs. They're so colorful, and I like how you put the spines and different things on the shells themselves, and then you can kind of tell that the face is a combo of the slug and the dragon. I really like it a lot. And Misa-chan official, I absolutely love your kind of like submarine-ish snail dragon. It has the light coming out of its shell, and it looks like it's kind of strapped on like a submarine shell thing. I just love it. I think it's super creative, and I love the colors you picked, and then just the shell with the little hatch light thing coming out of it. I really like, really creative. And then everyone else, wonderful work. There was such diversity in the snails and slugs and things, and just seeing all the different colors, and like some people put wings and different cool mouths and different things. Amazing work, guys. This was really fun to see all of your guys' snail dragons. So once again, if you guys would like to participate in next week's dragon for a Valentine's or Heart Dragon, make sure to post your dragon on Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag KM100dragons. So thanks again, guys, so much for stopping by. And if you aren't already, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have new videos every week. And if you like this dragon, I would really appreciate it if you left a like down below. And if you'd like to suggest an idea for the future dragons, leave it in the comments or go join our Discord. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, everybody.